In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of a video, whether in green screen or not. To get started with this, we'll make use of the CapCut app. Get the CapCut app. I'm going to open it. Then in the new project, click new project, select the video you want to remove the background. Now I'm going to show you how to do this for a video on green screen and then also for a video that is not on green screen. So let's get started with the video on green screen. So I'll just tap on it and add, let's say this is the video I want to remove the background. So once you have brought it into CapCut, you have to tap and select the video. Then you search through the features below the screen where my pointer is touching right now. So we are going to cutouts, locate cutouts, click on cutouts, and then click on chroma key. Click on chroma key. Now once you've clicked on chroma key, I want you to focus on the screen. You're going to see a color picker on the screen. So we have to move this color picker to the green background. We move it to the green background. Now you come down, you're going to see intensity. Click on intensity and then you have to move the intensity until the whole green is gone. All right, we are moving this intensity until all the green is gone. Now I think we've gotten rid of the green background. All right, once you've gotten rid of it, it's done. Now if I want to put a background on this, all you have to do is to unselect this picture that we have removed the background. Then you scroll through the features below the screen, scroll through until you see canvas. So this is canvas here. Tap on canvas and then you can click on background. Click on background. You can select a background from CapCut or you choose a background that you have uploaded from anywhere. So just scroll through these backgrounds here and you can select one for it. Let's say I want to go with this one, but you can always get a good background for your picture. So this is it. This is how this particular background is looking on this video. All right, so this is it for a video that is on green screen. Now let's do for a video that is not on green screen. So I'll go back to new project here, tap on new project and then select the video that is not on green screen. Okay, this video here, it's not on green screen. Then I click on add. So what I want to do now is to remove the background. So I have to tap on the video and then scroll through the features below the screen, scroll through the features and then get to cut out and click on remove background. Now the background is gone. As you can see, the background is gone. Now we're going to add a background the same way we did for the other one. So unselect the video, scroll through the features below the screen, click on canvas, click on canvas and then go to background. This time around I have downloaded a background I want to add, so I'll just click on here. I'll just click on this plus and you can do this same thing for pictures as well. If you have pictures that you want to remove the background, follow the same procedure, you get it done. So I'll click on this photo like icon here and I'm going to select the background from my photos. Okay, so this background here is the one I want to use. As you can see, look how beautiful it is. I believe you can see this now. So that is how beautiful the background is looking right now. So this is how you change the background of a video. You can remove the background, change it to another beautiful background just the way you want it. It's not hard, it's not difficult. You can do this for a picture, you can also do this for a video. So just go ahead, follow the procedure and get yours done. If you've gotten value from this video so far, do well to give me a like this video right now. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. And do not forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you have suggestions of new videos that you would like me to make, put them in the comment section. I love reading from you and creating videos that you love. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I will see you in the next one. Stay remarkable.